क्या बताना चाहोगी, कुछ बताना चाहोगी कि नहीं?
चाहेंगे
हाँ ज़रूर।
Good morning. Today I'm thrilled to tell you about the Dome of Rock. It is situated in Mount Temple in Jerusalem. It was built in late 7th century.
The Dome of Rock is an architectural masterpiece that is known for its beauty and significance. It depends on three major religions: Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. Islamic people believe that that dome is the place from where Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam went for the night journey, whereas Jews believe that it is the first and second house of the temple.
It was commissioned by Abdul Malik and was completed in 691 AD.
ये एक चर्च था जो कि बाइजेंटाइन एम्पायर में बना था, लेकिन बाद में ये एक मॉस्क बन गया था जब ऑटोमन एम्पायर ने इसको कॉन्कर किया था, और फिर ये म्यूजियम बन गया था, लेकिन फिर से ये मॉस्क बन गया और अब ये तुर्की इस्तांबुल में है।
वाइब्रेंट हब ऑफ नॉलेज एंड कल्चर ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड द सब्जेक्ट साइंस फिलोसफी मेडिकल एंड
significance of this. I want to explain about the cultural and religious significance of this Hagia Sophia. This magnificent building is a mere architectural prowess. It holds profound cultural and religious significance, having once a Christian church and then a Muslim mosque in the Ottoman era, and then it later turned into a museum again.
एंड पर है।
अच्छा, तुम क्या बताओगी, बोलोगी?
आंटी मेरा तो
आप भी कुछ बोलेंगे? आप किस क्लास में हो?
7E।
मैं थोड़ा
7E, तो फिर तो
आंटी मैंने तो ज्योग्राफी का सुनने
This is the round city of Baghdad, also known as Madinat al-Islam. It was built in the 8th century during the Abbasid dynasty. It was become the center of the Abbasid dynasty and was the center of learning, culture, and literature. These are the Caliph's palace, and this is the Grand Mosque in the center. There are 4 roads linked from the gate to the mosque. There are 4 gates for entering the city. Baghdad became a vibrant hub of knowledge and culture. During this period, the subject science, literature, medical were practiced mainly.
अभी क्या बनाया है? बताओ, बोलो।
मैम वो अरेबिक बोलनी है, बोलो।
थोड़ा ना आगे हो जाओ, आवाज़ ज़्यादा आ रही है।
مرحباكم أنا زلال وهذا صديقتي ورا وكلنا مصري. هذا هو أرضنا من مشروع الأهرام المصر. الأهرامات كبيرة مذهلة جبل الشكل، إنشاءها المصري القديم، الملك المصريون المعروفون بالفرعون الذين توزع مكبر في الأهرامات. أتمنى أن تحب قصر جهدنا وأنت كل عام بخير. تسلم وشاكرين.
مرحبا أنا ورا ممثلة زلال.
هذه المصر هذه وما تفهم The date was 1330 and 120 Abisa.
अब्दुल्ला कहता है जी मम्मा
एक एम्पायर था जो अब हो गया।
अच्छा बात सुनो, इधर आओ। ये नहीं, मैंने वीडियो लगानी है, लगा दूँ तुम्हारी पे? क्या ना लगाऊँ? नहीं लगाऊँ? अच्छा नहीं, चलो फिर लगा दो।
मैम इस लाइन से आगे नहीं आ सकती।
इस लाइन से आगे नहीं आ सकती। मैं एक दफ़ा इसकी बना लूँ, फिर साइड पे हो जाती हूँ।
Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatima Zahra, and the cycle refers to the continuous movement of water from the atmosphere to the land and from the land back to the atmosphere. This movement of water involves four processes known as precipitation, evaporation, transpiration, and condensation. Further, Aisha Noor will explain you the process.
The hydrological cycle begins with precipitation, the rain that falls on the ground flows along the ground as surface runoff into streams and rivers. Some water infiltrates through the layers of the earth to the groundwater. The water that is on the earth's surface begins to evaporate. It goes through a process when the sun heats transforms the water into the leaves.
कुछ बोलोगे बच्चे?
My name is and I am representing this project from 7C. This project is about river system, and there are three types of courses in river system: upper course, middle course, and lower course. From the sources, the water is transported to the river, and there are further distributors which take the water from the river to the further ocean. And
ये कौन है? ये ब्लॉग इसको देखो
बहुत प्यारा बनाया आपने। यहाँ पे मैं ये 8 का और ये हमारे। आप किस क्लास में? मैं 7। अपना नाम भी बताना। मेरा नाम इर्तिजा और मैं 7C। ये प्रोजेक्ट ये दिखा रहा है कि ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ विच आर इफेक्टिंग द इकोसिस्टम this shows that this factory is producing carbon dioxide, and these animals, farm animals, are producing methane. So the carbon dioxide and methane gas go to the forest or jungles, and the trees absorb the carbon dioxide and produce oxygen.
And the water has been filtered out. We can use it for different purposes. Like we can use it to give the water to the plants. We can use it to wash the cars, and we can also use it for drinking purposes as well. But first we have to boil this, and then it can be used for drinking purposes.
बस इतना सा डालेगा
और ये देखिए, this is a water filtration system in which dirty water becomes filtered water. Like I have put some layers of gravel, charcoal, sand, and then cotton. So the dirty water is become filtered water. It can be used for drinking purposes, but before this we have to boil this. It can be used to give the water to the plants to enhance the beauty of the nature. We can wash the cars as well with this water.
very well done.
Factory हमारा
ये क्या है?
This is a water filtration system in which dirty water becomes filtered water. I have put some layers of gravel, charcoal, sand, and cotton, and the water has been filtered out. You can see the droplets of it. Different layer works differently, and the water has been filtered. It can be used for agriculture. It can be used for water washing the cars, and it also can be used for drinking purposes. But before that, we have to boil this, and then it can be used for drinking purposes. Boil sand and water. We can drink it, but before that, we have to boil this, and then we can drink it.
This is the model of respiratory system in which we are showing how the lungs work, and this is the model of digestive system, and we are showing how the food travels through the body, and this is the model, also the model of respiratory system. This works like this, and this is the model of circulatory system.
Actually, this is the blood coming from our lungs, and this is the blood coming from our lungs.
अच्छा कुछ बोलो किस क्लास में थे?
I'm in 7th grade, and this is the blood coming from our lungs to our heart, and then heart is and from the heart through our body, and this is the deoxygenated blood coming from our body to our heart, and then coming to the lungs to be exchanged by the air of the atmosphere. For heart, this is the left ventricle and this is the right ventricle. This is atrium. These are atriums, and this is a double circulatory system. Actually, in animals we have found single circulatory system and double circulatory system as well. And this is the double circulatory system in our human heart. This in our human heart.
Of helping children become like the messiahs instead of more like everyone else. चलो की तो बना लो बस आगे चलें छोड़ दे देख लेंगे बस ओके बहुत अच्छा बोला आपने शाबाश बहुत अच्छा आपने बताया चुप करके बैठो नहीं ये बैठ जाएगा तो क्या आजा ना होने ये और वो दोनों मत सही आ गया ये हमारी क्लास है मान जाओ बता दो आप सर से इधर आओ बता दो ये सुबला की क्लास में है या फिर टीचर ने बनाया यार छोड़ दो इधर तो कोई खड़ा ही नहीं बच्चा देखो मम्मा ये कितने सोने घर बने दवाई लेने आ जाओ चल